It's cold today. Alrighty, welcome back to the hangar, everybody. And yes, it is quite chilly today. Not going to be able to get a whole lot done today, so this is going to be a little bit of a shorter video, but we're going to get some good stuff done anyway. Let me show you a little project that we got going on. Alright, so here's the ground power TR. I'm not going to put this back in the jet just yet. So I'm going to leave this out and hooked up, but I did order some parts and pieces, namely a high power resistor. This is capable of absorbing 25 watts of power. I got the proper fuses because, like I mentioned before, we did run out of the right fuses. So I ordered a pack of those for this, as called out. Here, 0.375 amp, so that's a 3/8 amp fuse. Question mark we got on that, and we're cross-checking this out of the parts book. None of these are parts books. It's all the wiring diagrams, schematics, and troubleshooting. Whether or not that is a time delay fuse or a fast-acting fuse. And given what this thing has to power a coil on the contactor, that involves some inrush current, so we're going to look up the specification and see if it's a time delay fuse that can handle that kind of thing, or if it has to be a fast acting fuse. So before that goes in, we're going to make sure of what fuse actually needs to be in there. To test this, I'm not going to power it straight like I did last week, because under load I want to be able to protect this thing with a fuse. So I got a fuse block on order that did not arrive in time for this weekend, but I'm going to hook that up, protect it with a fuse, hook up the resistor, and we're gonna load this thing up and make sure that this thing is 100% working properly. Also, I'm gonna pull that relay out of door 19 and the main transformer rectifiers as well, because they, like I mentioned last week, these are going to get bench tested as well to verify that all the main things that we can test are fully functional. So that's what we got going on today. All right, now up here in the Wizzo's cockpit, what we also are going to do is plug in the battery charger, because it's been a little while, and we definitely don't want to go through that saga again of putting a battery in this aircraft, because it's not fun. You got the charger plugged in, and got this convenient harness that we installed. And there we go. That's nice and plugged in. Here, I'll get a light on this thing so you guys can see what's going on with this. So, got this convenient little adapter that we hooked up for the battery, which is buried beneath this panel. So if you guys have never seen the battery in this thing, it's down there underneath the instrument panel. It's not a lot of fun to get to. So, okay, 3 green lights, so that'll put a maintenance charge on it, keep it 100% and topped off. Excellent. Alright everyone, like I said, this is going to be a short one. I'm happy that a lot of you guys enjoyed the last video with Glacier Girl. I'm glad you guys really liked that. And yeah, that P-38 was something else to look at last week. We're going to get out of here because it's cold. Even with the heater running there up in the hangar overhead, it's still cold even in here. It's better than being outside, that's for darn sure. But anyway, take care everyone. We'll see you next time.